Good afternoon, students. I will start with our next topic in the double linked list. Okay, in the previous class, we just completed the polynomial addition using the linked list. Okay, now we'll move on to the another type of a linked list, that is a circular linked list. Okay, circular linked lists are similar to the circular single linked list. This is a circular double linked list. We know that the linked list with the circular is the last node next is the first node, or first node previous is the last node. Okay, in general circular single linked list, we have the last node next as the first node. Okay, but in the double linked list, so first node previous is the last node and last node next is the first node. So here the two sides of a pointing will be done. Okay, the last node next we need to make it as the first node and first node previous as the last node. Okay, so then only it becomes a circular double linked list. Okay, the remaining all coding is the same for the circular double linked list and normal double linked list. Okay, so here also we have one data and two links. Okay, one is for the previous node and another one is for the next node. Okay, so the next of the last node is the starting node. Okay, it points to the starting node. Okay, here this is the pointer for first node, and the first node previous is the first starting node previous is the last node. Okay, so that it forms a one circular rotation. So whenever you want to move from the first node to last node or last node to first node, okay, then it becomes very easy with the circular linked list. Okay, now we'll move on how to perform the different operations with the circular double linked list. Okay, this is inserting at the begin. Okay, the similar code. First, initially we'll get the node. We'll create a one new node with the get node function. Okay, we'll get a one new node, and then we will check whether the list is empty or not. If it is empty, then assign the new node as the start node. Okay, and new node left as the start and new node right as the start. Okay, why? Because the node has the 2 points. Okay, initially we created a one node, okay, which has the data and left pointer and right pointer. Okay, this is only the start node for our linked list. So whenever you want to make it as a circular, okay, so then we make it as a left as the start and right is also the start. So new node left is the start, and also at the same time new node right is also the start. So then it becomes a circular. Okay, so left and right are connected each other, okay, so that it forms as a one circular node. Okay, if list is not empty, okay, then we'll make a new node, previous node as the starting node. Okay, that is we'll make our new node as the starting node and new node previous as already existing node. Okay, so for this we will first exchange the pointers are. First we will assign the initial, that is whatever the starting node which is already there, the previous of the starting node. That is the starting node already has a connection to the previous, that is left to the last node. Okay, that address first we will assign to the new node left. Okay, why? Because our new node is the current starting node. Okay, so that for that left, okay, it points to the already existing starting node left. Okay, that is nothing but first we created a one new node. Okay, 40 with the new node is this. Okay, so already existing starting node is this. Okay, it has a previous address is 400. Okay, this is assigned as the so previous address for the new node. Okay, this is assigned as previous address of the address for this. So, but here it is updated value. 1 second. Okay, sorry. This is the previous node address because this is the 300 is the node address of the 30. Okay, this is already exists within the previous start node value. Okay, that is assigned to this. Okay, that is our new node left becomes the okay this 30 node address. Okay, then our new node address is the address of a left in the previous node, that is existing start node. Okay, so once check this. Okay, start node left, already existing start node left as the new node left, and our start node address is the new node right. That is, this start node address is assigned as the new node right. Okay, new node right is points to the already existing start node. Now start node left of right. Okay, start node left of right. That is start node previous node. Start node previous node right. That is here the start is not updated. That is, we didn't become make our new node as the start node. Okay, so that initially whatever the node which is already exists, okay, that is the same we have. So start node left of right is, okay, previous start node. This is the previous start node. Okay, left of right. Okay, so that left of right, this left of right. Okay, this is assigned with the new node. Okay, left of right is the, so left is the previous node. Previous node right is the this one. Okay, this is assigned with our new node address. Okay, 400 is our new node address. Okay, that is assigned to this. Okay, start node left of right is, start node left is the previous node for the start node. Okay, for that right is the this pointer. Okay, this is assigned with new node address. Okay, now start of left is the pre new node. Okay, our new node becomes the, so already existing start node left. Okay, so finally we need to update the address of a previous start node left as the our new node. Okay, this to be done at the last. Okay, up to that we will update all other pointers. Okay, finally we'll assign our new node as the start of left. Then we will assign the our new node as the starting node. Okay, this is a statement is missed out here. Okay, finally we need to make the start node as the, okay, our new node. Okay, this is also to be there. Okay, something it may be gone back. Okay, so these are the 5 steps we need to perform. Okay, so in the circular we need to make a we need to update the last node pointers also. That is, whatever the last node which is already available in the linked list, that pointer is also we need to modify. Okay, so that first we are assigning the address of starting node left, that is already existing starting node left as the new node left. That is, new node previous becomes the previous starting node previous. Okay, that is existing start node is the 10. Okay, 10 node previous is the last node. Okay, this last node becomes as a previous node for our new node. And at the same time, new node right is the start node. That is, new node next node is the our starting node. And starting node left of right, that is, our starting node left is, it's this 30 node previous node, and this right is the this particular pointer. Okay, this is to be pointed to the our new node. Okay, then start of left, start of left is becomes the our new node, and then our start node is the new node. Okay, this is insert at the beginning. Next, insert a node at the ending. Okay, that is when you want to add a new node after the last node. Okay, here also we have 4 transformations. Here you can count the number of arrows. This is the one arrow, and another arrow, and third one, and this is the fourth one. So we need to make a 4 assignments of the pointers. Okay, so this is our last node. Last node right is the our new node, and new node previous is the our last node. At the same time, new node left is the new node right is the our start node, and start node previous is the our new node. Okay, these 4 assignments to be done. Okay, so for that we are making these all changes, the 4 changes. Okay, if the list is empty, we will add the node at the initial. That is, start node is the new node left and right are the start. If it is not empty, then assign the new node left equal to start of left. New node left is the start of left. Sorry. this code is by mistake and given. Okay, so it's same code of the inserted begin. Okay, so I will see it back. Okay, next we'll go for the inserted intermediate position. Okay, so these are the 4 changes we need to do for the inserted the middle. So I will be take a position to insert a new node. Okay, until unless the position is not reached, just we'll move the one by one node and we'll reach to the that particular place. Okay, in that place we will add the our new node. This is our new node and this is the position where we need to insert our new node. Okay, so for that we are making again 4 changes. These are the 4 arrows. Okay, these 4 changes we need to make for the to add a one new node in the middle. Okay, so for that first change is the new node left equals to temp. Okay, okay, this is the temporary node. Okay, that is the node where which is already exists in the linked list. So new node left is the temp node. Okay, new node left is the temp node. Sorry, here it is considering this as the temp node. Sorry. Okay, this is not the temp node. Okay, this is the temp node. New node left is assigned with the temp node. This is temp node address is assigned to the new node left. Next, new node right is the temp of right. New node right. This is the temp of right. Okay, temp of right is here. It already contains the address of the this node. 20 node address is already there in the temp of right. Okay, this address which is already available, that is previously available before the updating of this value. Here it contains the address of the this 20 node. Okay, that is 200. 200 is assigned to the new node right. Next, temp of right of left equals to new node. That is temp of right of left. Temp of right is the next node of the new node. That is this 20 node. And for its left, that is this point. Okay, this point is assigned with new node. That is 400 address. This is the arrow for that. So we assign the new node address as the temp of right of left. Okay. Next, temp of right is the new node. Temp is this temp of right. Okay, this value we are assigning with our new node address. Okay, so first we assign the new node left as the temp node, and next new node right as the temp of right or right node. Okay, next temp of right of left, temp of right of left as the new node, then temp of right is the our new node. Okay, then we will increase the node pointer, that is node counter. Okay, okay, these are the 4 changes we need to make to insert a new node in the middle of the linked list, circular linked list. Okay, next, deleting a node at the beginning. Okay, to delete a node at the beginning, these are the 4 steps we need to do. I will take the temp equal to start. Okay, initially we'll take a temp into the temp with the start node value. Start equal to start of right, just we are moving to the next node of the start node as the start node. Then temp of left of right is the start. So temp of left is the, so the temp is already having address of the start node address. So it's left, that is its previous node. So previous node right, that is previous node's right point, that is now which is pointing to the our starting node. Okay, that is assigned with the current start address because start address is changed, so that we need to change the last node next as the current starting node. So last node right as the our current starting node. Next, start of left is the temp of left. Okay, whatever the address which is already there in the temp of left, that is assigned to the start of left. That is, this is the address of the last. That last node address is assigned as the current node, current starting node pre left. That is, our last node becomes as a previous node for this. And check the code. Okay, deleted the ending is also similar, and check the code and execute this in the code.